Okay, so here are the two devices I have received. This is the first one. First one powers up. Okay. There's no SD card inserted, but if you can see, it is. If I would have been a SD card in it, it's not possible at all to push the record button. This is the second device I received to replace the first one. As you see, it's powered, just to make sure that you don't think that the battery is empty. It does have power, so if I now push the power on button, it doesn't boot, it doesn't start up at all.